Hello there friends and happy Halloween. I just wanted to make a quick video on how I made these fun ram horns out of foil, tape, and paint. I'm on a quest! I'm on a quest for to explore the world of making horns out of things that aren't meant for making horns. So that's what I'm doing. So this was filmed back in the beginning of August, so if my craft room looks completely opposite of what it is now, it's because this was filmed way before I flipped it. First, I used what I think is a 14 gauge wire for the inner support. I wrapped the wire around a headband and I twisted the wire for extra strength. It is super long because I am going to spiral the horns into a ram shape. Next, I cover both pieces of wire in lots and lots of tin foil. I want to make them thick and round, so it took some time to build them up. You can make any horn this way. It would be much easier and faster just to do little cone shaped horns or some dragon style horns. I think that would turn out really well. Next, I carefully bend the horns into the shape that I want. After that, I cover them in black duct tape. So this next step isn't actually necessary. I was just covering up any weird holes or wrinkles or unevenness from the black duct tape with some painter's tape. As you can see, it actually smoothed it out quite a bit and made an even layer for painting. So next, I just slap on some black matte paint, and you can easily just leave it at this step if you want to, but I'm extra, so we're gonna be a little extra. So I wanted some fun horns on top, so I got out my polymer clay and I cut off 2 equal sized pieces. I rolled the chunks into a thick tapered snake shape and I twisted it. I bent the horns back a little bit for that classic dragon shape. Then I inserted a bent 14 gauge wire at the bottom of the horn to wrap around the headband with, and then I just bake those and I also paint them with a matte black. After that, it's time for some decorating. I was going for a gold, red, and black look, so I used this fun gold on the tips of the horns, and then I blend in a bit of the red and I drag that up until the red blends into the black. After that, I throw on some glitter. I use gold glitter and red glitter because, you know, you can't have enough glitter, okay? You can't have enough glitter. Glitter is exciting. I don't think I got any footage of that, so here's a closer look at how the paint turned out. I even added some fun decorations to the horns. I had a gold chain, which I glued to one side of the top back of the horn, and I hung it and wrapped it around the bottom of the horn. I also had some red leftover string from my Makote cosplay, so I wrapped those on the other side of the horn and attached it with hot glue. I think these horns are perfect for a fun photo shoot or a quick costume. They're cheap and easy to make. They're a good addition to my wall of horns. I guess you could say I really like horns. You were expecting me to say horny, weren't you? You nasty. Now I really want to make these into like a pattern and then put them on foam and make them out of foam. I think they would be really cool. But I hope you guys liked the video. Feel free to check out my Patreon for more crafty stuff. Thank you so much to my patrons Adam Hunt, Aliar, Anime Crush, Blue Panda, Brian, Catastra Kitten, David Rosenbaum, Eric, Jenny Lynn, Jim W, Jordy the Trekkie, Kalika Kaiser, Logan Don Carlos, Maois Murden, Nathan M, Ninja Ruki, Nanaman, Rob Thompson, Robert Gallardo, Sakura, and Valdemir. Have an amazing rest of the day and a very spooky Halloween, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!